So we are gonna replace the oil on this here lawnmower.
Honda GCV 170.
Yeah, I believe that means I want to say 170
cc.
Yeah, cc's. Yeah, cubic centimeters. Now the oil, it looks like this. It's pretty black, pretty dark, and you definitely don't want to run that in your motor anymore. I mean, it's not good to do all that much damage, but you know, why not just have clean oil?
Yeah. So in the owner's manual here, you know, because we didn't really know. We were looking around this thing, trying to find a drain plug. We originally thought it was that, but it wasn't, obviously. So in the owner's manual, it literally just says to take this off and tip it upside down. So we're gonna drain it into that pan there. So I'm gonna put you guys on a head mount probably, and then yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna take this off.
You just unscrew that.
We'll just set this over here. What Riker's going to do is he's going to tip it down here. Hold on.
Here, I'll hold your oil pan for you.
Tyson's going to hold the oil pan.
I got it.
Okay, ready? Now you could do this one person, but it's a lot easier with three.
A little bit more up on the table.
There we go.
All right, I got it by myself.
Okay, hold on. It's on the skill saw over here.
Let
There we go.
Okay.
You guys good?
Oh yeah, there we
Oh,
go.
dude, look at that thickness.
That is black.
Yep. Dude, I kind of wanna eat some of it.
I'll take a lick. It looks like fudge that you put on like ice
Dude,
cream.
it looks like.
The wings were all right.
Oh, what about the pizza? Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Good.
All right, that's probably good.
Gave me bad gas though.
You
At
sure?
Meadow Creek, I was.
Yeah, we don't need to get all the bad oil out, just most of it. You don't gotta be gentle with it, Riker. This
Well, if
bench,
we break this lawnmower, Dad will shoot us.
the bench would break before the lawnmower would. And then the lawnmower would break after it fell onto the ground.
Let's go dispose of it.
Now we got, I wonder how much oil is in here, how deep it is. It's probably like half a quart.
Yeah, probably, roughly.
Let's go.
Now we put the cap back on. Well, actually, we're just gonna do that for now, and then I'm gonna grab the new oil and show you guys how to fill it up, which is very self-explanatory, but some people probably won't know how to do it. So we're just gonna use 4-cycle engine oil, 10 weight. There's almost nothing left in this one, but I got a full one right here. So I don't know how much this takes. I'm just gonna kind of fill it until we get the fill line here, and I'm gonna have to eyeball it because I don't have a rag for that, which will be fine. You could use a funnel, but there's not really a reason to. Yeah, see, that's pretty much empty. New can. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it with like a little bit. All right, now we'll put it in. Tighten it. You always make sure to tighten it, because that little ½ an inch matters. Yep, that's full. We're good. So that's how you do it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.